Welcome to GSL GM City 1720 Boat Trail Southwest in Calgary, Alberta. Today we're doing a quick walk around video on the brand new 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Trail Boss LT Z71 package powered by the 6.2 liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior here, we have the power windows, power locks, power mirrors, drivability dial for your different driving modes, push button 4x4, fog lights, and in-bed lighting. We have a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls. We have our column shifter as well, push button ignition, a large 8-inch touchscreen. We have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto in there as well. Dual zone climate control with heated front seats, integrated trailer braking system, parking sensors, auto stop start, and USB charging ports. Dual glove box with locking bottom, Bose audio equipment throughout, and then our bucket seats up front, the leather heated Chevrolet Silverado seats. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the custom Trail Boss, we do have the 18-inch wheel and tire package, beautiful black rims there with the black Chevy Bowtie and the Goodyear Wrangler Autotrac all-terrain tires on there. Black door handles accenting the black mirror caps and black window trim. Z71 badging on the front fender. Trail Boss does come with the factory 2-inch lift up front as well, giving you that larger stance. Blue paint with the black front bumper, parking sensors, fog lights, black Chevy Bowtie, and LED lighting. Making our way to the back, we have LED lights on your mirrors, rear tinted privacy windows, Trail Boss badging with your black bumper, dual chrome exhaust tips, trailer tow hitch, as well as your LED tail lamps. Taking a look at the interior here, we do have the leather 60/40 split. Both end seats here are car seat ready, as well as they have the in-seat storage and the sliding rear window with defrost, extra headroom over top with the single pane sunroof, and USB charging ports in the back of the center console. That 60/40 split, you fold them right up, giving you access to under-seat storage and tons of room on the ground should you need it. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the 2021 Chevrolet Silverado Trail Boss. If this is your next factory lifted V8 crew cab pickup truck, come and see us here at GSL GM City or shop online at gslgmcity.com.